Hey, what's up everybody? Craig here. So Grow Paradise, that's this YouTube channel, my UK plant and seed shop, and my own life has taken a step forward. So it is time to give you an update. So, do you notice anything different? I've gone and got myself a studio. Well, when I say studio, I mean I've painted my living room orange, so I don't have a living room anymore. But I am so lucky to have a space that I can use as a dedicated zone for making these YouTube videos for you. Why have I done this? Why have I painted the room orange? And it's not just an excuse to buy more houseplants. I have taken the risky move to pursue doing Grow Paradise full time. Full time, and this is something I've been working towards for a couple of years now. Now, it was definitely, if I'm honest, a bumpy transition. I've been working 30 plus hours a week, almost full time, looking after other gardens while growing Grow Paradise. And Grow Paradise, I love doing it, but it takes a lot of work. Making these videos, editing them, growing plants to sell, packaging the plants, processing seeds, maintaining the website. It's a lot of work. I absolutely love it, and I'm so fortunate that all of you have supported the growth of the business. But it's time heavy and I'm only human. And to maintain that, working full time, and my own health and well-being and the relationships in my life, something had to give. So, as I say, it was a bumpy transition. I changed my almost full-time job, and yeah, it was too much to manage for one person. This was always the goal, and it's happened a little bit sooner than expected. So, I'm going to give you a look around Grow Paradise, where we're at now, and I hope you're enjoying the new backdrop and the studio. I'm going to show you the packing station and just give you an idea of what Grow Paradise is. It's not a huge business, it's a small independent business, a passion of mine, and I get to grow plants, share plants with you, and learn and share my knowledge. So yeah, let's have a look around. So, let me show you around. Now, you've briefly seen what's going to be the studio backdrop. Orange wall. Why did we go orange? It's going to stand out on YouTube, and the greens and the purples of the bromeliads just look absolutely fantastic popping out against it. We've put up a couple of industrial shelves with lots of empty pots. Now obviously the pots aren't going to stay empty, but budgets being what they are, I'm going to slowly fill up these shelves over time. If you can recommend anyone to buy houseplants from, let me know, because I'm all up for supporting small British businesses. Now this corner is looking a little bit bare at the moment. This is where we're going to hang gardening tools. I love old tools. I'm weird, I like anything rusty and aged. I think it's just got more soul. Now, as I stand up to show you around the rest of the setup, you're going to see the lighting change because we've gone fancy. Behind the camera is studio lighting, so that my shiny head looks the best when I'm sat here. But as I stand up, I start to look a bit horror movie. You've been warned. So let's have a look. This bit under the stairs is what we call the warehouse. In other words, it's where we store everything that needs to be bulk bought. That's the envelopes that your seed orders are sent out in, perlite for the nursery, and all the different box sizes for packing days. And just next to that is where I stand on packing days. This is my packing desk. It's a wind up, wind down desk, so that on packing days I can be stood up, keep my back straight, because quite often I will spend 6 to 8 hours packing your orders, starting between 5:30 and 6 a.m. I can wind it down so that when I'm counting seeds and doing design projects, I can be sat down with a cup of tea and it's a bit more relaxed. Now, just behind the studio lights is this messy corner. This is going to be where we're going to set up an area for filming how-to guides. Now, if you've subscribed to the YouTube channel, you know that I do most of my how-to guides out in the greenhouse. But I have to wait for the right weather conditions. I can't do it if it's raining or if it's dark. So if I've got a corner set up here, we're going to be able to do it all year round, whatever the time of the day, which will be fantastic. And doing the how-to guides is one of my favourite parts of Grow Paradise. It just means that I can share any knowledge that I learn with people all around the world. And that's one of my favourite bits of gardening, is sharing knowledge. People are so generous with their knowledge in the horticultural world, and I just love to be a part of that. This is Deborah the Zebra. It's an amazing wall hanging vase that my wife found, and it's perfect for my air plants because they're low maintenance, I don't need to water them a lot, and it just looks like she's got a funky hairstyle. So what do you think? It's humble, but it's my patch of paradise. And you might have noticed in the past couple of videos that I've been wearing t-shirts that relate to Grow Paradise, growing my patch of paradise. We have started selling t-shirts and it's going to help support Grow Paradise. And we earn a small amount of profit on every t-shirt sold. And I know what you're thinking. Sell out. These t-shirts are manufactured in the UK. They're 100% organic cotton and manufactured with renewable energy, and they can be shipped to wherever you are in the world, which is something I really wanted to do because I'm well aware that the plant and seed shop is only available to people in the UK, and I get so many emails from people all over the world who want to support Grow Paradise. So this is the way to do it. And I can tell you they're super soft. I am really fussy about t-shirts, but I'm enjoying this one. And if you look closely, you'll see this little dude, a robin in sunglasses. We were trying to think of an icon for Grow Paradise, and gardeners are always followed by robins. They go hand in hand, like Batman and Robin. It's just a gardener and robin. But this robin, who we call Herbie, is wearing sunglasses because he's in the tropical and exotic style gardens, just chilling out, enjoying the tropical vibes. So that's why he's on the t-shirts. Yeah, that's just one other thing that we've been working on, and finding this responsible manufacturer of t-shirts is down to my wife, and choosing the colour of the studio and pushing forward Grow Paradise. Like, you lot have supported me loads, but her support has been invaluable, and I just want to get that down on record. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I have got lots of videos planned for the year going forward, and now that I have a bit more time, hopefully I can be a bit more reliable in uploading content. But I'm standing by maintaining my mental health and well-being, and I urge you all to do the same. So if life happens, it's okay if I don't put content up. I'm still here, hopefully, and I will upload content at some point. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for helping me get to this point, and I look forward to the journey with all of you in the future.